Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma Job Alert. Today in this video we are going to see vacancy from Aurobindo. They are currently hiring walk-ins and they have strictly mentioned here, first of all you need to register yourself and attend the walk-in. So coming to the vacancies are there in production, packing, engineering, QA, QC. In production, granulation, compression or coating, TA, technical associate or senior technical associate, ITI Diploma or degree, 3 to 8 years of experience. And next is packing, secondary bottle packing, blister packing, and quality assurance, QMS, market complaints, validation, IPQA, QC, IPFP stability, microbiology, MSc or BPharma is the qualification, 3 to 8 years of experience. The walk-in is on Saturday, 6th September, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Interview and work location is APL Healthcare Limited, Unit 1, TSIICH, Polpalli, Jadcherla, Mahabub Nagar, District, Telangana. So scan the QR code, my dear friends, and register yourself. You need to bring your updated resume, educational documents, PAN, Aadhaar, recent increment letter with CTC, last 3 months pay slips and